Hey friends, OHUHU just sent me some sets of their acrylic markers and I feel like a kid in a candy store. I love opaque markers that you can use on anything and I can't wait to give these a try. The first set has 24 broad nib markers and 24 matching fine nib markers in truly beautiful colors. This next set I'm super excited about. It's the OHUHU set, and they are brush nibs, plus the selection of colors is really nice. Finally, they sent me the dual nib Kaka'ako set of 30 different colors. This set also includes some extra nibs, and I love that you can start working with your broad nib and then just flip the pen over and start working with your fine nib in the same exact color. Now for this project, you'll want to print out some sacred hearts, grab some thick foil baking sheets from the dollar store, or get a roll of 36 gauge aluminum. You'll also need some round edge tools like frosting or clay tools, or the end of a paintbrush. Grab some hard lead pencils and ballpoint pens too, and finally a sheet of kids' sticky foam. Cut off the flat surface of the baking sheet and then cut a piece a little bit bigger than your pattern. Tape the pattern to the foil. With a ballpoint pen or a hard lead pencil, trace over the design. By the way, if you use a red pen, you can easily see where you've traced. I'm adding some more detail to this pattern just for fun. Once it's traced, remove the pattern and flip the foil over. Using a clay tool or the round end of a paintbrush, you'll want to burnish the areas one by one to create dimension on the other side. Take your time and burnish inside the lines. Once you've burnished all the areas, carefully cut out the design. This is pretty thick foil, so I'm using some serrated edge scissors, but heavy-duty scissors will work too. Now the fun part. Go crazy with color, painting the raised areas of the heart with your OHUHU acrylic paint markers. The broad nibs are great for the big areas, and the fine nibs are perfect for getting into the smaller spaces. For the next two hearts, I'm using the OHUHU set with the brush nibs. I find them really easy to use, and you can either create broad, thick strokes of color or very fine lines depending on what you're doing. And I really like that you can use these markers on any surface and that the colors are so vibrant and rich. I can't wait to try them in my art journal. Also, the price on these is incredible. I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to take a look for yourself. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.